Today we're gonna make Newton slime. Okay, first we need a package of flour, and then a cup of water, and a bowl, and a spoon or spatula, whatever you want. Okay, first we'll pour in our flour. Okay, and then now I'll add a little bit of water. And then stir it together. And then if you feel there's still a lot of flour outside, or only a little bit inside. Okay, only a little. Okay, now, and then if you push it hardly, it will be solid, and if you put it here, it will be just liquid and a little bit sticky, so that's fine. And I'll scratch a little bit on my hand. Okay, and that is how easy it is. Now if you want to make it 100% slimy, and you should add a little bit of glue and some body cream, so you can make a Newton slime easily. Okay, this time we'll add more flour. Okay, and then pour water. Add water.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Oh God. Okay, now keep a little bit of water. Okay, now that is not 100% slime, but sticky like slime. Okay, and keep stirring until you can boom like that. And it is hard to stir because it is actually being already almost finished. Okay, look, now we have a piece of it. Okay, and we finished this channel, and like our channel to see more things of cooking, adventure, and slime. Bye bye.